What's the meaning of cause? Cause. Cause.
Cause. Cause. Cause is a shortened version of the word causeway, which refers to a raised road or path, typically crossing wet or muddy ground. A causeway allows people or vehicles to pass over an otherwise impassable area. The result of constructing a causeway is a convenient route that can connect previously isolated areas or make travel easier and more direct. This can have significant benefits for transportation, commerce, and communication. However, constructing a causeway can also impact the natural environment and may cause unintended consequences such as flooding or erosion in surrounding areas.